Hey, amazing teachers! Want a fast, fun, and stress-free way to assess fluency while keeping students engaged? Try interactive storytelling. Start with a short, simple prompt, something like, "Last night I heard a strange noise outside my window." Then let students take turns adding sentences. The magic? You're not just listening for vocabulary recall, you're assessing fluency, creativity, and real-time language use without the pressure of a formal test. Here's how to make it work instantly in your class. First, give students a base sentence to kick off the story, keeping it accessible but intriguing. 2. Set a timer. Each student gets 15 to 30 seconds to add to the story before passing it to the next person. 3. Focus on fluency, not perfection. Jot down notes on their ability to keep the conversation flowing. Need an extra layer? Add challenge cards with words or phrases they must incorporate. You'll get quick insight into proficiency levels while students stay fully engaged. And guess what? You can assess proficiency like this in just minutes. It's low stakes, it's fun, and provides a real picture of student ability. Want to see where you stand with comprehension-based strategies? Take the CI proficiency quiz at mm.us/CI quiz and find out your level today. Let's keep making language learning meaningful, stress-free, and most importantly, comprehensible.